In this video, we will show you how to find archived conversations on Facebook Messenger using the mobile app and website. Go to the Facebook Messenger homepage. Click the circle with the three dots icon. Select Archived Chats. The left sidebar will now show all your archived conversations. You can click on any of them to view the conversation. If you send any messages, it will move the conversation back into your regular inbox and it will no longer be archived. You can unarchive a chat by hovering your mouse over it in the left sidebar, clicking the three dots icon, and selecting Unarchive Chat. Open the Messenger app, then tap your profile picture in the top left corner. In the list of options, select Archived Chats. This will show a list of all your archived conversations. This method works for both iPhone and Android. You can unarchive a conversation by tapping and holding it, then selecting Unarchive from the list that appears.